Today I'll show you how to use the Apple Fitness app and address some common issues. In older iOS versions, the Fitness app was only available if you owned an Apple Watch. If you didn't, you couldn't even access the app. But now Apple has made the Fitness app available on all iPhones, giving you the ability to track basic activity, even if you don't have a watch. So what can you do on the Fitness app? Well, you'll notice that it's a bit more limited without the Apple Watch. Without the Apple Watch, the main tracking feature you get is the red move ring, and you do not get the exercise and standing ring. This will only track your movement based on steps and distance walked, no heart rate or exercise specific tracking. To track calories, the app relies on your iPhone's motion sensor, so you'll need to keep your phone with you throughout the day. Just slip it into your pocket and the app will estimate the calories you burn based on your steps. Keep in mind this is just an estimate, so it may not be as accurate as an Apple Watch. Here's a cool tip if you want to get more complete picture of your activity. You can connect third-party fitness apps to the Fitness app. This is especially useful if you like to run, walk, or do any specific workouts and want more detailed tracking. Download a compatible fitness app like Nike Run Club. Once you finish a workout on the app, it will automatically sync with your fitness app. Another great feature is rewards. You can earn badges by hitting certain calorie milestone numbers, and while there might not be as many rewards as you get with an Apple Watch, it's still a great way to get motivated. If you're looking for a more structured workout experience, Fitness Plus is also available on the iPhone. You can sign up for a subscription and then choose from a range of guided workouts that track calories burned directly in the Fitness app. You can share your progress with family, friends, or members. Sharing can be a great way to stay accountable or even add a little bit of friendly competition. Just open the Fitness app, tap the sharing icon and invite a friend. Another neat feature is the calendar view. This is a great way to check consistency and monitor how active you've been over time. I'll show you how to fix the Apple Fitness app not working on your iPhone. First things first, check that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You'll want to make sure that Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on. Make sure you have sufficient data coverage and that your Wi-Fi doesn't have any issues. If possible, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Apple Fitness relies on Bluetooth to connect to certain devices and gather data, so make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now let's dive into the settings. Open settings and go to privacy and security. From here, scroll down and find motion and fitness. Make sure that fitness tracking is turned on and also toggle on health to ensure data sync. If you're still experiencing issues, the next thing to check is if the Fitness app needs an update. Go to the App Store, type in Fitness and update the app if needed. You can also try updating your iPhone. Go to settings again, search for update, and update if needed. If the app is just freezing or not loading, try force closing the app and reopening it. Sometimes deleting and reinstalling the Fitness app can help with persistent crashing issues. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.